Want to know how to fix Mobile Legends lag or ping errors? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can fix it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, there are various reasons why your network lags or ping issues could happen. Sometimes it's your own Wi-Fi. So you can just simply restart your Wi-Fi or switch to data for more convenience. It might fix your lag issues. Next, you can restart the Mobile Legends game entirely, so remove it from the widgets or background apps and then start it up again. This should fix it. Now if none of it work, make sure your VPN is turned off as well. So sometimes VPN causes hell of a lag and ping issues. So you can also switch to faster DNS or Google DNS from Cloudflare Warp. So it's super simple. You can just simply head to a Play Store and download it. Now if it still doesn't work, just simply head towards your app icon and then select clear cache or clear data on the bottom right side. And once you've selected that, just simply select clear cache and you should be good. And that's it, super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.